Kaka-payout lang natin ng 50,000 pesos. So,
Kita lang naman tayo ng 39,000 pesos.
21,000 pesos. 15,000. Ito naman sa HDS. 13,340.
Ayun,
Just
91,000 pesos.
24,000 pesos!
25,000.
Worth of 36,800.
17,000 pesos.
28,000 pesos.
Excuse me, what do you do for a living?
Part of online opportunity here in HDS M2M project. I'm a student of Holy Name University, accountant student, and doing this at first part-time. But right now, we're enjoying the best life app with this opportunity. And right now, kaka-payout lang natin ng 50,000 pesos. So from our Vivo app to our BDO bag. So explore M2M project.
Thank you! Hello guys! How's the experience of being part of M2M project?
Ay, and we're so blessed and grateful talaga na nabilong talaga sa M2M project. And by the way, this person Plaza, 21 years siya, senior high school student. And now, imagine na upon checking my Vivo account, grabe, kumita lang naman tayo ng 39,000 pesos. Before, yan.
And so I am happy and grateful to be part in this M2M project. And by the way, I am Catherine Faith Cosmo. I graduate from HM Bukol. And ngayon, upon checking our Vivo Super App, ito lang din naman yung kinikita natin ngayon. 21,000 pesos. Hi, this is Marian Prado, 18 years old and the student all the way from Cortes Bohol. And thanks to M2M project, kasi upon checking by Vivo, we have 15,000. Thank you, M2M project. Hi, my name is Christine Samuan. I'm 9 years old from Siberia, Bohol, a student from Tabelara City College. And bago pa lang tayo dito, tutulungan sa HDS. Thank you, Father God. Thank you, HDS.
Excuse me, are you part of M2M project?
Yes. Hi there. This is Princess Antong Luta, HM student from Bohol Island State University. And we're part of M2M project. And because of this, we're earning 13,314 in just one day.
We are part of M2M project. And by the way, I'm JR, all the way from Valencia, Bohol, a vice student or Bohol Island State University student. And dahil po sa M2M project, kumita po tayo 91,000 pesos in just 1 month.
Excuse me, I'm familiar. Are you part of M2M project? Yes, this is Coach Joey and all the way from Buena Vista, Bohol. And right now, isa na para tayo sa mga natulungan sa HDS. And upon checking my Vivo Super App, I have another 24,000 pesos.
I am Joshua Tabia from Tamilan City, Bohol. I am a college graduate from Bohol Island State University main campus. I am proud to say that na-check ko ang website ko, I have earned 25,000 in one day. Thank you, M2M Project.
Hi, John! Hi! And by the way, this is John Andre Mocolcol from Bohol. And upon checking my Vivo Super App, kaka-printed lang dito sa ating Vivo App e-wallet worth of 36,800. And ganito kaganda sa ating Bukol City sa HDS kasi while nandito tayo sa Dangten, dito sa Tagbilaran, nag-enjoy and same time kumikita tayo dito sa HDS. Kaya sa mga M2M na mga kabataan dyan, na gusto din ma-independent, makakipag silang parents, lalo na sa mga student dyan, and kagaya ko na nagtrabaho before sa isang mall as a bagger. And kung gusto nyo mag-diversify or gusto ng extra income, be part sa HDS para kayo din yung next na matulungan dito. Be part!
Excuse me, how's the M2M project by the way?
I'm doing great here in M2M Project. Actually, I'm from Bukidnon, a accountancy student, and right now, doing it online by checking my Vivo Super App. Pumasok po yung income natin worth 17,000 pesos. Ito na yung sasabi ko. Thank you, Father God, and thank you, HDS.
Excuse me, you're part of M2M project, right?
Yes, I'm part of M2M project. By the way, I am Rebecca Sabacahan, a registered nursing profession, and just want to flex my income. Just today, I received worth 28,000 pesos. Thank you so much, HDS, for this great opportunity. Earn young, save time. Be part of M2M project.